Welcome back from Mentor English. Today, the topic is, or the question is, that prose as a literary form and its types, fiction, non-fiction, and prose poetry. Today, we definitely discuss all these three items in this lecture, particularly. And before going to further about the research and lecture, I want to discuss that we have this channel for the services of English, and we have another channel for the services of Urdu by the name of Murshid Urdu, Professor M. Raza. You will write Murshid Urdu in pure Urdu font, or you will write Mentor Urdu, and you will find the lectures. And we have also another channel by the name of Jamid Darulum Sheikhul Islam for the services of Sarf, Nahab, Fiqh, Asul al Fiqh, Mantiq, and philosophy, logic and philosophy. Welcome back, dear students and dear parents and dear viewers and dear watchers and dear teachers. Prose. Prose is a form of a written or spoken language that follows a natural flow of speech rather than a structured verse. It differs from poetry in that it does not use material structure or rhymes patterns. Prose is the most common form of writing, and it can be found in novels, short stories, essays, speeches, letters, and many other forms. Prose aims to express ideas, convey emotions, or tell stories in a straightforward conversational way. There are several types of prose, each serving Different literary purposes. Point 1. Fiction. Fictional prose is imaginative writing where the author creates characters, settings, and plots that may or may not be based on real events. Fiction can be subdivided into various genres like novels, short stories, fantasy, science fiction, historical fiction, and more. Fictional prose often use narrative techniques like character development, dialogue, and descriptive imagery to immerse readers in its world. Examples of fictional prose include work like Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen or To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Point two, non-fiction or non-fictional prose. Non-fiction or non-fictional prose is factual writing. It deals with the real events, people, and ideas. It is used in essays, biographies, memories, journalism, history, academics, uh, mass communication, and academic writings. The purpose of non-fiction prose is often to inform, explain, or argue a point. Writers may employ a logical structures and evidence-based arguments. Non-fiction also includes a literary journalism or creative non-fiction, where factual events are told with creative flair. Examples include The Diary of Anne Frank and The Immortal Life of Henrietta Henrietta Lakes by Rebecca Saklout. Point 3. Prose poetry. Prose poetry is a hybrid form that combines the rhythmic and figurative language of poetry with the straightforward structure of prose. Unlike traditional poems, prose poems are written in paragraph form but still focus on imagery, metaphor, symbolism, and emotional resonance. Prose poetry often blurs the lines between essay, fictions, essay, and poetry, offering a compact poetic readings experiences. Writers like Charles Baudelaire and Pablo Neruda have made significant contribution to this genre. So this was the particular answer of the question according to your assignment, dear students. And I would like to request you that before sending me the question, must search out and must search the recommendation by YouTube on the channel. If there is not available, then send the question to me. Thank you very much for your cooperation, for your love, for your patience, for your subscription, and for sharing to other students, family members, and colleagues, and your beloved teachers. Let me go now and say with me: do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.